Well, hello there and welcome to my little kitchen. I'm glad that you're here. I want to welcome you here. Also, I want to ask you if you wouldn't mind subscribing real quick. We are a group that's tiny but mighty and would love to have you with us. Recently, I got into cake decorating. Not something I ever thought I would do, decorating cakes, but I made a Barbie cake for my daughter once I got sticker shock over how much prices were out there for cool cakes, for 3D cakes, and that just sparked a fever in me. So I've done just a few. If you want a professional cake decorator, I am not the person that you want because I just figure it out as I go, and I thought maybe we could all just learn together. I love to get lost in the frost. Just, mix up some icing, make a cool color, and just go. And it's a way that we can show love, to encourage others. Have you noticed that just a little bit of encouragement goes a long way? I just came from taking a cake to a clerk at a grocery store that I visited recently who was having a down day, and handing her that cake in a little box with her name on it just absolutely made her day, and it brought me a lot of joy. Today's project is going to be something for my daughter's friend. She's turning 12, and I recently found out that she likes penguins. I've never made a penguin before, but I'm gonna change clothes, put my gloves on, and get on it. So much fun today making that purple penguin, and I know that Emma's friend is going to really, really love it. Well, that's all for today. I hope you subscribe and like this video. Go encourage somebody today. Bake it and take it and see what happens. Have a great day.